Hello, I'm so excited to share with you the story of the bear Snores on. He is so funny in this story. So, as you know, bears hibernate in the winter. And in this particular story, this bear goes and hibernates in his cave while it's cold. And there happens to be a little mouse that pops inside of his cave. And he is curious, sees the bear snoring, so he just decides to make a little fire and keep himself safe and warm. And meanwhile, while he's doing all these things, what's the bear doing? What do you think? He's snoring on, not even worried about it. So, next up comes the little bunny rabbit. The little bunny rabbit hops in, and he's like, "What you doing?" And the mouse and him decide to have some warm tea because it is so cold outside, making more noise and doing all of the things. But guess what the bear's still doing? He's snoring on. It's crazy. So then a couple more animals, a bird, a badger, and I think it's also a gopher come in, and they decide to see what's going on because it's so warm. They decide they've already had tea, and then they're going to pop some popcorn, some little kernels, and they all share all of these things all around the fire. And now that there's about 5 or 6 people, little animals, chit-chatting and having a great time, they look over, and what's happening? The bear snores on. But what's next? They decide to pour some pepper and salt onto the stew that they are making. And that particular stew, with all the pepper flakes, then goes into the air. And you know what happens? That pepper gets right under that bear's nose. And all of a sudden you hear this, ah, ah, chew! And they all are so startled. And they step back, and they're not sure what's happening. They don't know what's going to happen because all of a sudden the bear sees everybody. And he grumbles and he romps around, and he's not snoring anymore. He is so confused and frustrated. And you know what he ends up happening? He starts crying so sadly. Why is he so sad? Because everybody had a wonderful time having a party, and he wasn't even involved or invited. So he decided that he was going to have himself some tea and hang out. But because all the animals partied all night long, sharing drinks and stew and everything else, they all fell asleep. And meanwhile, the bear is wide awake. Isn't that crazy?